Can you believe that my battery ran out as I was yammering? Okay, well, I don't know how much of that you saw, but I ran all the pipes, covered them up, went around here, got all this kind of taken care of. And so after lunch, I'm going to work on this, and I feel pretty confident that I'll be able to get this by the sprayers. And this sprayer this morning sprayed like that, so I know that the stuff that I was doing yesterday took some of that water pressure out of there, and I was able to that sprayed all the way over, so I know by adding 2 on both sides should be okay. So after lunch, I'm going to check that out, and I'm looking forward to making sure that that works. If for some reason it doesn't, I may have to bring up an extra line, 2 up here, 1 for this, 1 for that, 1 for that, 1 for that, but we'll see. Okay, so yeah, doesn't that look a lot better than what it looked like before? And I got bubblers to every single rose here, even that little rose, this rose, that little rose over there. That one's going to be transplanted over to an area that was dead right there, and it's going to look mighty nice when I get done. Hey, you just work on stuff, you'll be able to do this too. You watch a couple of these videos. It's drip irrigation is not really that hard to work on when you have the little bits and pieces of the parts. 1/2 gallon, 1 gallon bubblers, 2 gallon bubblers, inline bubblers, and the tees, the little tool, the 1/4 inch tubing, and you're pretty much set for just about anything. And as I went, I collected parts, from the stuff that I was taking off, and I'll be able to use some of these. I took some of those small lines. Instead of cutting off my new stuff, I used the small lines for that. There's a little small piece there, small piece there, small piece there, small piece over there. This one's kind of small. You see, don't use all your new stuff when you've got little pieces left over. And I've been using the couplings on here, and I just use all the parts that I can. Okay, all right, enough of that. Time to go eat, but I'll be back and I'll show you more. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.